Alright, just came in. I missed all the push in RIVN. Let's see what we can do. Come on. Yes, it should fall down now. It should fall down. But you can do some small reversal, which small reversal can be 86.50 and then down. That's not so good. I still have enough buying power. Yes. Oh my god, you see? One break below, break below, break below this candle. Not so break below. Break it. Break it. Yes, yes, yes. Come on. Come on. Oh, nice. Nice. That's it. It should reverse. Small profit. I was risking 60 cents and I was getting 40 cents. It will go down to the 83.50, something like this area. So I will take a break, short break, and continue. Come on, spike down. Nice. Spike down, break the 84, break the 84, 84.02, 84.01 bid, 84.02. Come on. No, you want to. $84.01. Break. Come on. Ah, went up. Just a round number. Come on, 84. 84.06. Lots of buyer, okay. Which means if it's gonna be a break, it's gonna be a nice spike. I can remove my stop loss to breaks even. I don't care. Even here. break the 84. Come on, come on, come on, come on. The ask is 84.03, 10. Moving ups and down, let's see. Come on, break. The buyer is waiting at 83.50, but let's see. Let's cancel all. Come on. Come on. I will take 50 shares off. Let's hope it's gets. No. And the push down. Let's hope for a spike. Nice, nice. Come on, spike. 36 the bid. Oh my god, the bid is 36. The bid was 36. Could it break? It's oh my god. Thank you. It's break. Nice. Okay. Nice. Wow. Amazing trade. This is how you can trade a stock of moving so high and is an uptrend. You can take it a reversal. You know what? Let's do a quick recap. Let me open the pen. Yeah, it will reverse from here. It's in a deep oversold area. Where it is? There it is. Okay. So what's happened is that I this is it. Okay. What's happened? I couldn't trade it because I wasn't near the computer. I just joined on my phone on my way home. So I heard RIVN did a nice $3-4 move high, and this stock, if it's doing such a big move, it can do so about 3, 4, even 5 waves. Because if the buyers made a lot of profit, and you see here they accumulate the stock in this area, made a little profit, they added here, so the average price is somewhere in the 79, and they added here, so the average price is 80, and then it's 81, 82, and then it's the 83. And from this point they started to sell. So you see the sell and buy, sell and buy, and you see they sell big, buy low, sell, buy, sell big, buy low, and then this is a spike to hunt the stop losses, and they made a little profit here, and they sell all this area, sell high, buy big, sell, buy, sell high, buy low, sell, buy. You see this? They are want to sell. They are moving all their stock, and this is the reason why I entered here a little bit too soon. I took a chance because it was still in the uptrend, but I count 1, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, and the spike high was the 5th, so I knew it should move down. My target was somewhere here, and about taking the first partial. I missed the first partial here because it was too fast. And when I said when I see it hit again, I will take the partial. But while doing so, I knew it will hit the 86 and spike. And I said if I see a close above, even if it's a big candle, a close above, I will move out. So from a perspective of profit-loss ratio, this wasn't a good trade because the risk here was about 60 cents and I exit average 40 cents. So minus 1-to-1 risk ratio, but the percentage of winning is above the 70% with this scenario. And you see where I exit because I knew this is the reversal. And then I waited, I move off the chairs, and when I see it again hit the 86, from then I look at my algo and I see the formation of the sellers now again moving. And when it's break, my key level was the 85. Let's see where it was exactly. The key level was 85. So somewhere around here. But it was too quick, and when I pressed, I got filled 85 was 60, I think. Let me just cancel it. Let's see. 85, 60. So this was it. And first target was the 85 again, because there is a potential of another bounce and I didn't want to face the bounce here. And the rest was the key level 83.50. So it was here, but when I see the accumulation and the failing of the break, but you see the 84 moving up, 84, I took off 50 shares just to reduce, and the rest of the 50 it was below the 83.50. It was the 83.30 area. So in average 83.50 I got what I wanted, and then it break just with the momentum to the 82.50 almost, and now it's higher. But this is the zone of the reversal. It will probably do another push retest and then move higher, and you see now it's creating a short divergence, which is good. It moves down and maybe higher. So the overall momentum is up. Should you trade against the trend? No. But if you do, take a very quick 1-to-1 ratio. And this one was a perfect, because this one was the 50 cents and the risk was again to the 60. So about 40 cents. So I have more 1-to-1 here. And I also had some profit here to cover as a cushion to prevent loss of the day, and I ended up doing nicely. So this is my strategy. This is how I enter. I could enter just with half shares and waited all the way. But this is it. You see how it moves down again, and the 80 hour of the 1 minute is about 50 cents. And yeah, I took the 50 cents here, even more here, a little bit more, a little bit less here, but it's okay. Okay. So yes, you can even trend against the trend and trade against the trend. So the trend was my friend. and you remember till the end when it's banned. This is there when it's banned, and again, it's my friend. So thank you guys. This was the recap of today. Hope you like it, and see you guys later.